All right, today we'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, hands down by the sides, and then begin to move from your hips and your waist, letting your hands knock against your lower abdomen and your lower back. All right, so just a gentle rotation. If it feels okay, you can turn a little more, but without forcing it. We call this knocking on the door of life. So the door of life is an acupressure point in the lower back that stimulates the energy and blood flow. This also helps to loosen the spine. All right, imagine that your arms are empty coat sleeves, moving from your center. Let your torso guide the movement. Softening the shoulders and neck. All right, then you can let the hand knock against your chest and your lower back. So this stimulates the energy in the heart and lungs and the immune system. All right, you can even make loose fists if that feels okay, or you can just have the hands open. Either way is fine. And then coming back down to the lower abdomen, and then slowing it down, and then coming back to center and taking a moment just to feel the sensations, feeling the energy. And then on the next inhale, you can breathe in and the arms float up. And as you breathe out, the hands come in towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Moving nice and slow, feeling the sensations, grounding the energy. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, the arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Opening the door. Starting the journey. It's like your arms are resting on a wave in the ocean. One more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up. Turning to one side, one hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Breathing in. Breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. Gentle rotation. Moving mindfully, nice and slow. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep going all the way up overhead. They spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Softening down and then rising up. Opening, letting go. The upward spirals. You can even gently turn the torso side to side, wiggling up, getting out any stuck energy. One more time, the upward spirals. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms coming up and over. The fingertips point down, coming down the center. The hands spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Once again, you can do little micro movements side to side, coming up and down, and see how that feels. Just moving with a little bit more freedom and grace. Without being rigid. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, the downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree, rounding out the arms. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. Moving nice and slow. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time on this side, parting the wild horse's mane. And then this time, we'll catch the moon. Making two loose fists, we'll spin the moon. Bottom fist comes up overhead, the other one by the waist as you gently turn. Coming back to center, catch the moon. 2 loose fists, spin the moon, look to the side or gently behind. We call this one riding the tiger. So gentle rotation. All right, one more time on the side, ride the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane. One more time, toss it away. And then from here, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, step in, catch the moon, step out to the corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. And then circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. Really feeling into the body, feeling all the sensations that you can. Really going for the ride. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. And then from here, we'll catch the moon, making 2 loose fists, spin the moon. Bottom fist overhead, the other one in front of the waist as you gently turn. Coming back to center, catch the moon. And spin the moon, look to the side or gently behind. As always, never forcing it, just easing in. One more time, ride the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane one last time. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other one down by the hip. And then circle it around again. Bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down, and then leaning over to the side, going up. Coming back to center. This time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out in front. The white crane spreads wings. Breathing in and breathing out. All right, one more time. On this side, white crane spreads wings. And then from here, we'll catch the moon and then spin the moon. We'll switch sides. Bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down. Circle it around again. Leaning over to the side going up. So a gentle weight shift. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in. Breathing out. You can sigh out at any time. It's always encouraged. It's like a release valve for stress. All right, one more time, white crane spreads wings. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides, making 2 loose fists. One fist goes behind the neck, the other behind the back. And then switching sides, drawing the sabers. Gentle reach. You don't have to reach very far. You can even keep it above and below. Trying to stay soft without forcing it. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, drawing sabers. And then both arms reach up overhead. They float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart. We can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.